This takes a long time. Okay. I always wash my chicken with salt to get out the grease. Okay. You're gonna sit for a while, and then we're gonna put some pepper. Just put some pepper first. It's a ground pepper. Oh, sorry. It's a ground black pepper. And some chicken powder. There you go. Let's just mix it up. Stir. Yep. That's it. Okay. Okay. See that? We need to let it sit for a while. Okay. Yay. Okay. Where's my 1 million viewers? I don't see it this time. I've been doing live for a while and I don't see my viewers. Where are you at? Yoke, yoke. Look at that. We need to caramelize the onions, and yeah, just like that. Okay. We'll need some bay leaves. Need to wash it first. Okay. Need some bay leaves. I washed it. Okay. I washed it. Okay. That's the bay leaves. Okay. Hi, hi. Hello there. I'm cooking chicken adobo with soy sauce. This is chicken with onion, garlic, bay leaves, and soy sauce, and a little bit vinegar. Okay. You could put some potato, but this time I think I'm gonna skip potato because we're gonna eat rice anyway. So I'll just really cook chicken. You can put potato and carrots if you want to. But I'm skipping with potato this time. I'll just cook chicken. Okay. Now let's put our soy sauce. Smells so good now. Smells so good. Okay. Thank you so much for my 2 million viewers, 1 million viewer now. Thank you so much.